Hi, I'm Ishani. Would you like to introduce yourself a little bit briefly?
Yeah, first of all, good evening, Ishani, and I hope you're doing good and you're safe. Yeah,
Thank
my name
you.
is Himanshu. I'm a fifth year student, currently working in Ayuka under the supervision of Dr. Kanak sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very briefly, would you like to point out your election manifesto and also talk a little bit about the goals that you have moving forward?
Yeah, my election manifesto has 4 points. First of all, you have student related things, so mental health of students, since we are in a COVID induced era, as I can put it. So yeah, student health has been the hardest hit, physical health and mental health. And since they are not at home, they are not in campus, so their second home, as per se. So you have no way to monitor them. You have the counselors here, you have physical activities here, but at home you have nothing. And people are often busy in their own schedule and they rarely have time for this. So yeah, I would try to have a system wherein some amount of monitoring can be done, because even if the students don't like it, they ultimately know it's for their own betterment. Yeah, I also have some plans for the CDPC, as we've been working, me and some of my friends aided by our PhD seniors have been working to bring CDPC from the ground up, and it's been around 1.5 years since we've been doing that. And yeah, so if I come to a position of power, like it's good for CDPC, as it has been established from the ground, but COVID was bad luck because we couldn't do anything. Yeah, but now that you are getting a new normal, I hope we can get it up.
Okay, yes,
Yeah.
that's great. So, is there any specific committee or a specific post that you're looking forward to, hoping to be a part of?
Like I said, CDPC is one of my
Yeah,
priorities, and also the academic committee would be good, because every student nowadays says ki the academic system needs an overhaul. And you have to listen to the faculty too, because they have something in their minds, and that's why we have this system. But I think a more rigorous student involvement is necessary, because the academicians may know what is good for us, but ultimately it's us who are going through it.
that's a
So
great point.
yeah, collaboration of sorts will be very good.
Okay, yeah. And how do you plan on maintaining a very good way of communication between the elected members, the admin, and the general student body?
Yeah, so one problem which arises here is accountability. है ना? When faculty members of various committees and students, you have student council have their meetings. The outside body of students, they have absolutely no idea what has been discussed, at least for 2-3 days until the detailed meetings are out. So if you really want accountability, like instead of proving it, like you can make it so transparent that people have to accept ki, yeah, the council is doing good. For example, like a thought that sprung into my mind while I was about to sleep was to invite some students into the council meeting, so that they have an idea of how it works. And more importantly, if there are any hoax of some kind कि council कुछ नहीं करती है, and सस्ते में निपटा लेती है, so these doubts have to be taken care of, because ultimately the council is for the students and by the students.
Yeah, that does sound
Yeah.
really great. Okay. So, any other message that you really want to get across to the audience and the people that who are eventually going to vote for you? Anything at all?
uh, yeah, that's just out of the blue. So yeah, I do not have much influence. I'm not famous, and I'm just a normal student. But I've been here 4 years, 4.5 years, and I've noticed some very alarming things. And as a student, at least future के लिए, future batches के लिए, I have to do something good. Yeah, and support mile ya na mile, like you have to have the conviction inside you ki even if I come into a position of power, I do not forget that I still have my roots here, and that I have faced these problems exactly. I know what they are, I know what problems they cause to you and to your community, and it's important to take them out, because the institute has to be a unit, a cohesive unit which goes forward with the collaboration of students, admin, and faculty members. Yeah.
Okay, Himanshu, it was really pleasant interviewing you. All the best for your campaign.
Yeah. Thank you for giving us a platform to express ourselves.
You're
Yeah.
most welcome. All the best.
Yeah. Thank you.